Okay, that wasn't supposed to. That must be like some sort of hell gate.
Oh my god! So the last time I made something game related for my wife, it was a little level in Minecraft, which looks a little bit like this. There was a lovely little walkway into a library, down some stairs to what I think was quite a nice little message. So now let's do something completely different and try to scare her. As with most little projects like this, I did not have a lot of time. I had 48 hours before traveling down to Cornwall for a little break. So because of this short time frame to get myself up and running, I used two assets. I used the pre-built Unity first-person controller, which is just available in the hub. It's only available for 2021 LTS for some reason, not 2022. But you can just make it in 2021 and then upgrade the project to 2022. And the second was this Haunted Mansion asset from Cinti. It comes with a complete self-contained demo scene, which seemed perfect for this kind of little scary project. There's a link to this asset in the description and the pinned comment. It's a really great asset, as with all Cinti assets. And yeah, if you want to go check out their store, that'd be a great help to the channel. Again, links for that all below. Okay, so let's have a look at this Haunted Mansion scene. Some nice fog effects. They're a bit over the top. May want to turn them down. I like the lightning going off in the background though. As we come through this main door. We're greeted by like the dust particles. I do really like that. My first thing is it's quite bright. I'm thinking of doing this by flashlight, so I'll probably take out most of the lights and implement a flashlight mechanic. I could do stuff like trigger it to flicker and things like that. Dining room, stuff growing out the walls. We've got a hole in the wall. Creepy monster growing. That's quite gross. Ooh, we've got the library. Yeah. Beth is massively into books, so this is maybe we could do something with this. A nice scary piano room. Okay, so the pivots are on the doors, so that's good. We can maybe work on getting a door opening mechanic, so you don't know what's behind the door. I kind of want some jump scares, that's what I'm thinking. Ooh, sewing machine. She also likes to sew. Bathtub with spooky bloody footprints. Okay, is there a basement to this? Oh, there's an attic. Creepy rocking horse. I'm thinking there's going to be a lot of triggers triggering an effect, so we might need like an interface, like a spook interface, and as we get close, we can have some custom logic into that. Okay, so this is all very creepy. I wonder if I could put one of the pictures as Beth. Maybe that'd freak her out a bit. Is there a basement level? Oh, there is. So there's something where we could like go down and turn the electric on if we want to. Ooh, a coal burner. So it's creepy to have tricycle, sorry. Okay, so that's one way into the basement. What else do we have? We've got a little outhouse shed. Greenhouse. little granny flat, spare house. And a couple of mazes. Right, my initial thoughts are to have her start here, like looking at the house. Definitely remove the fog. Maybe we could tone it down. I'll have to look at the settings, try and find whatever's emitting that fog. But yeah, let's take all of the lights out. We want to make it a lot darker. Want to make it a lot darker so a flashlight kind of makes sense in the environment. And then we can have, I think, just spooky things happening. That'll be my first point of like port of call. And then I guess from there we'll have to see if we can get some sort of story. Maybe there's a letter. We start like reading a letter that's saying to come here and investigate, and we have to find something spooky. I don't know. Well, we'll see how far we get. Because also I don't have a lot of time for this because Halloween is coming up. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so from this point, I got to work over the next 48 hours implementing lots of different spooky mechanics and spooky audio. I did actually record voiceover for what I was doing as I went along, but the audio from day 2 was unfortunately messed up. So I will just have to summarise, and at the end of the day, we're all here to see if I successfully spooked Beth. The first part of this was to remove all of the lights from the scene, and generally just trying to darken it overall. I wanted the only light source to be the flashlight. I actually really liked that in this pack there was not only 2 flashlight models, but a flashlight cookie as well, which is a texture that gives the flashlight that signature look where it's not just a pure plain light source. I then added a door opening mechanic, which at first I was trying to make physics based using the hinge joint, and I nearly had it working, but I just couldn't get it to consistently work. I think this may be down to the first person controller template, as it uses Unity's built-in character controller with some custom logic to handle rigid body collisions, and it isn't itself a rigid body controller. My solution, with some help from our old friend ChatGPT, because anything involving rotations literally makes me want to die, was to have an interactable door that when the player approaches and interacts, it swings. Revolutionary. This approach was a lot simpler in the end though, as I could add it easily to all the doors in the scene, even ones I did not know existed, and you'll see what I mean by that a bit later. It also came with the added benefit of being able to easily add sound effects to the door opening. I then built a trigger-based haunted object mechanic where I could position custom triggers where I wanted them, and then trigger an animation. I made all of the animations within Unity itself, which made this whole process very quick and smooth. The other thing I tried to spend time on in this project is sound effects. Especially with a horror game, sound is so important. I used a mix of my Epic Sound account, open game art, and some royalty-free stuff from YouTube to build out the soundscape, including 2 types of footsteps for both dirt and wood. So what I did was I made an objective to go to the study to find a book, which then tells her to go get a key from the greenhouse for the basement. And then going into the basement, there was kind of only one way to really go. And that directed her towards a big final scary cutscene that I put together. And then, yeah, 48 hours later, I had a little project that I wanted to try to scare my wife with. So let's just see how that actually went. And again, unfortunately, even though we did lots of tests, the audio for this bit is a little bit messed up, but it's perfectly fine. You can understand what we're saying. It can just be a little bit ropey from time to time. But hopefully you still enjoy me trying to scare my wife.
You can't leave. Oh, maybe you can leave.
Maybe you can leave.
Oh, so it says press E to open the door, but on the controller it's X.
Okay.
Oh,
I
okay.
can't leave!
That was unintentional.
I don't like that.
It's just rocking on its own.
Smashed. No, I don't like that.
I'm creeped out.
Like, what? Like, that's not our dog.
the sound outside. I think there's just a
Yeah.
door. It'd be the bathroom door.
It's just like adding to this creepiness. That's weird. I don't like the humming. 'Cause that like sounds like it's behind me. I don't like it. It's like. No, is it?
What are you thinking?
Can I turn the light on?
No, that's why I've got a torch.
Okay. What's that? Like that. I don't like that because it sounds like it's right behind me. No!
That's ironic because you opened the gate. That wasn't supposed to. That must be like some sort of hell gate.
Oh
Ooh.
my god!
Silly.
That's really scary.
Like the dog was scary.
Can I get out that way?
Mm.
That's creepy. Can I like open anything? Or is it just a
No, you can just open doors.
Okay. Like, I like it. Technically, it's a door, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's creepy.
Mm.
Oh no.
Don't be
Oh my god! No.
I just want to play a game with you.
Why does it sound squishy?
It's that creepy squishy monster.
Can you see me?
So,
I'm
no. That's so gross. That carpet, it's from that movie.
Vinci
Shining.
spider.
Yeah, the bike is as well.
Spider.
Too scared. No.
You need, remember, you've got an objective.
Okay. Well, this feels very studious.
Can you find me?
This feels like a study. There's plates in there. What? Why? I don't like the humming or the voices because like I don't know how, but it sounds like it's behind me. I mean, this isn't very just study. I like to leave that door.
Mm.
Like it's that's the creepiest thing I think.
Don't be scared.
Thanks. Okay. My shoulders like all up.
Thinking about it, this looks more study, but it's upstairs. That should have probably said in his bedroom. Oh!
Hello?
That's new to me. I didn't even know that was there. I didn't know that was a door. The way I added the code is I just searched for all doors in the scene and just added a script to make them open.
Well,
Wow.
you're welcome.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That is generally something I didn't know about. Gates are open.
Yes, they are because I opened them. Like, that door in our house needs to stop closing.
It's adding to the spooky atmosphere.
I don't like it.
Where's the dog? I don't want to remove it.
Like, it feels like it's behind me anyway. Or is this something? Oh, I feel like there's meant to be a wall there.
Yeah. So there was something on his desk.
Okay. Oh.
You can press interact again to close it. Do you know why I picked Huey? Because of Huey, Dewey and Louie.
Don't like that.
Okay, so we've got a new objective.
Good thing I left that door open.
I just want to play a game with you.
Just skirting it.
What is that? Oh,
Watch it.
okay. Is this the greenhouse? Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, that's a shed.
Stay cool. Try my best.
That looks like a greenhouse.
I mean, I physically can't win in this game, I don't think. Ugh. Collect the key. Was it like under a plant pot? Was it under something?
You in it? I can't remember if it said in the letter actually. But... No, I think it did. Was it here?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. What?
You've looked at it like 2 or 3 times now. It's obviously too well hidden.
What? Let me have another look. Let's see. There! I got it! I got it!
Don't be scared.
I like it. This is it just picks from random like sound effects, but it's picking some like good ones.
I'm behind you.
I don't like it.
Can you find me? Don't be scared.
I don't like it. I don't.
You need to go further in.
I don't want to. No, there's not like another layer to this basement. It sounds like it's behind me and I don't like it. Why can't I control that? No!
Don't be scared.
Okay, so how did I do? I don't think she was that scared. Maybe a little bit creeped out, but it is what it is. But maybe if I had have gone too far and, you know, scared the pants off her, maybe she won't be my wife anymore. So, you know, probably best to just creep her out gently. It's annoying about the audio issues. It's very, very annoying to me, but, you know, it is what it is. Technical difficulties. Hopefully the video was still interesting to you. If you want to try out this little project for yourself, you can do so on itch. There's a Windows build. I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks again to Cinti for their amazing Haunted Mansion pack. You can check out the link for that below. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.